curtsy lunge is a variation of the lunge that adds a rotational and diagonal component, challenging your balance and activating muscles, differently compared to a standard lunge. Here's a breakdown. How to do a curtsy lunge. 1. Start position. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Place your hands on your hips or clasp them in front of your chest for balance. 2. Step back and across. With your right leg, step diagonally behind your left leg, crossing it as though you are about to do a curtsy. Keep both hips facing forward. 3. Lower down. Bend both knees, lowering your body until your front thigh is nearly parallel to the floor. Your back knee should hover just above the ground and slightly outside the front heel. Then drive up. Push through the front heel to return to the starting position. Repeat on the other side. 5 reps. Aim for 10 to 15 reps per leg, 2 to 3 sets. Curtsy lunge works the lower body and core, with emphasis on stabilizers due to the diagonal steps. Thanks for watching.